Video lecture number 32, 4.1, History of Novel, Part 3. Hello dear students and dear friends. In my last video lecture, I discussed what is novel or novella, the elements of novel and the types of novel. But friends, today I will discuss the brainstorming section of this chapter, History of Novel. But before that, I would like to tell you some important things. Friends, as far as this chapter or this section 4 is concerned, it is completely theoretical chapter. So the only way to study this chapter or all the chapters in section 4, that is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, etc., is to read all these chapters line by line, twice, thrice, or 4 times till you understand at your home individually. I repeat, the only way to study all these chapters in a section 4, that is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 or 4.4, etc., is to read these chapters line by line again and again till you understand, because all these chapters are theoretical chapters. Moreover, in your activity sheet of English or board exam, you will not be given the extract for the activities based on these chapters. So in activity sheet of English, you will be given the activities directly based on these chapters and you will have to solve them. You will not be given any kind of extract. So to study these chapters, you have to read these all the chapters line by line, twice, thrice, or again and again till you understand at your home individually, so that you will understand everything given in the chapter, or you will understand the chapter properly, or you will understand the information given in the chapter properly. Now here, brainstorming section contains the activities that can be asked in the activity sheet of English, or what type of activities can be asked in the activity sheet of English. So the activities given in the brainstorming is the specimen activities for the activities that will be asked in your activity sheet of English. So do the practice of all the activities in the brainstorming section at home and solve them properly. So first, read each and every chapter properly, line by line, again and again, understand it, and then solve all the activities in brainstorming section based on that particular chapter and write them down in your register. This is the only way to study these chapters. Now let's turn towards the brainstorming section. Friends, open your textbook of English and see the brainstorming section of this chapter on page number 177, or you can also see all these activities on the screen in front of you. Now see the first activity, match the columns. Here two columns are given, column A and column B. In column A, you are given some words with the numbers A, B, C, D. And in column B, you are also given some other words. Here you have to match the words in column B with the words given in column A. Now I tell you the answers directly. A, Murasaki Shikubu. Its answer is 3 Tale of Genji. B. Novella. Its answer is 4. New. C. Don Quixote. Its answer is 1. Cervantes. D. Raj Mohan's wife. Its answer is 2. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Now let's go for other activity or the next activity, that is activity number 2. Pick out the odd element from the group, or pick out the odd man out. Here you are given the list of certain elements, and you have to pick out that odd element from this group of words which doesn't suit in that group or for that group. I repeat, here you are given the group of words and you have to pick out the odd element from this group of word which doesn't suit to that group. Now 1. Arun Joshi, Vikram Seth, Graham Greene, Kiran Nagarkar. The odd element here is Graham Greene. Why it is odd element? See, Graham Greene was an English novelist and the others are Indian writers or Indian novelists. Now number 2, place, period, theme, climate, lifestyle. Here the odd element is theme. Why theme is odd element here? Because theme is one of the elements of novel and the others are the aspects of the setting. So theme is the element of novel and other places, period, climate, lifestyle, these all words are the aspects of the setting. So here the odd element is theme. Now number 3, theme, plot, character, novella. Now here the odd element is novella. Why? Because novella is a novel, or novella means a novel, and the others are the elements of a novel. Here novella is the odd element because novella is a novel, and other words like theme, plot, character, they all are various elements of novel. So the odd element is novella. Now see the next activity. Now the next activity is number 3, complete the following statements. Now here the first statement is, the 2 types of conflicts that the plot may have are dash dash dash. Now I tell you the answer. The 2 types of conflicts that the plot may have are internal into bracket inside the mind of the character, or internal, that is inside the mind of the character, or external into bracket with the other characters or entities. So these are the 2 types of conflicts that the plot may have. Number 2, the word picaresque is originated from? The word picaresque is originated from the Spanish word picaro, which means a rogue. Now, the third statement. The epistolary novel presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents like letters or diary entries. The epistolary novel presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents like letters or diary entries. Now, number 4. In the 18th century, middle class could get the time for reading and discussing the novels because, now I tell you the answer. In the 18th century, middle class could get the time for reading and discussing the novels because the spread of machines helped them in their work and could provide them with some spare time. Because the spread of machines helped them in their work and could provide them with some spare time. Now here we have finished this third activity. Now the next activity, that is activity number 4. Write short notes on. Now here you have to write short notes on these 4 topics or on these 4 subjects. Write short notes on. Number 1, style of the novel. Actually, friends, the information that you require to write the short notes on all these 4 topics is already given in this chapter. But what it requires is the detailed study of this chapter line by line and the practice of writing it. So you can easily write the short note on it, taking the content from the text or the content in the chapter. Now the first one is style of the novel. Now how to write the answer? Style of the novel, underline dash. The language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of event is known as the style. I repeat, the language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of events is called or is known as the style or the style of the novel. An author can use extensive vocabulary and high phrases, or he may be brief, or he can use short words and write only to the point, or he may mix up both the things according to the requirement for meeting his purpose. The author can use the extensive vocabulary and high phrases, or he may be brief and crispy while writing the novel to the point, or he may mix both the things according to the requirement for meeting his purpose. He may use linguistic devices like figures of speech or imagery or symbolism to make the narrative effective. All these factors decide the texture of the narration and create an impact on the readers. Now, the second topic for short note is stream of consciousness novel. What is stream of consciousness novel? Number 2, stream of consciousness novel, underline dash. The phrase stream of consciousness means the flow of thoughts in the mind of the main character. This phrase was coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology in 1890. In this novel, the incidents in the plot are in the sequence of the occurrences of the thoughts in the mind of the main character. The novelist narrates them as or just as they occur in the mind of the character. The novelist narrates all the incidents just as they occur in the mind of the character. Sometimes they do not make sense, but they truthfully represent the thoughts without any censoring or editing. Now, number 3, the next topic is novella. A novella, or the word novella, the word, how to write short note? Write number 3, novella, underline dash. The word novella originated from the Italian word novelli. It is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full-length novel and longer than short stories. It is a well-structured yet short narrative, often satiric or sarcastic or realistic in tone. It usually focuses on one incident or issue with one or two main characters and takes place at a simple tradition. Some of the famous novellas in English literature or in English are: number 1, The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. Number 2, The Turn of the Screw by Henry James. Number 3, Billy Budd by Herman Melville. Number 4, Death in Venice by Thomas Mann. Next, Seize the Day by Saul Bellow, and Pearl by John Steinbeck. Now, the next topic for the short note is Indian tradition of novels. Now, you have to write the heading. Number 4, Indian tradition of novels, underline dash. Indians have also played a major role in the writing of English novels. Rajmohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was the first novel in English written by an Indian. The period after that is marked by a few more novels written by Indian writers. These novels were based on either nationalistic virtues or social issues. Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, and Raja Rao were the major trio who prevailed the period after that. Novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, and Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, and Upamanyu Chatterjee improved upon the Indian novel in English by adding new features to it. In recent years, Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, and Kiran Nagarkar have come into the limelight. The tradition of Indian English novel has undergone a vital change since its birth and has undoubtedly a very bright future. So friends, thus we have finished all the activities in the brainstorming section of this chapter. Here we have finished this chapter 4.1, history of novel. We should stop here. In my next video lecture, I will deal with 4.2, the novel To Sir with Love by Eustace Edward Ricardo Braithwaite. So we stop here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.